Wow. That's pretty.
Got an Xbox.
Oh, and it comes with connected fences.
Wow. So did you do all the?
Dude. I'm showing Dad. You're showing your dad.
Did you do all the stuff? Yeah.
What's in there?
Wow, that is gorgeous. See, we don't have room. The way our living room is, we just have room for like a pin tree.
It must be at the very bottom. No, I think it is.
Don't tear it.
Yeah, don't tear it. Don't tear it. Because you might need it for Sunday.
So what did
There's no Xbox in there.
you do? How'd you do this?
That Xbox
Literally, you get
was right here.
little pieces.
They got in the new one.
Is
They
this what, whenever you're crazy
Like
and you're
this
sitting
much.
here and here?
And then just do it like this, and then stick it in the tree.
Listen made one of those.
Throughout.